The 2026 BMW Motorhome has arrived as a revolutionary blend of performance, luxury, and futuristic design, redefining the concept of life on wheels. BMW, a brand synonymous with engineering precision and innovative mobility, has stepped boldly into the motorhome segment with a model that goes beyond expectations. The 2026 BMW Motorhome isn't just a travel vehicle, it's a premium lifestyle experience designed for those who demand sophistication, power, and freedom all in one. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 BMW Motorhome showcases a striking, aerodynamic silhouette that is unmistakably BMW. The signature kidney grille, slim laser headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a road presence that commands attention. Built on a reinforced lightweight chassis, the design emphasizes efficiency without compromising strength. The use of high-grade aluminum and carbon fiber components contributes to optimal weight distribution and stability, allowing the motorhome to glide effortlessly across highways and winding terrain. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW Motorhome offers a hybrid electric powertrain that delivers both performance and sustainability. With a turbocharged inline-six engine paired with BMW's latest eDrive technology, the vehicle produces over 500 horsepower while maintaining remarkable fuel economy. The electric mode provides a near-silent drive, perfect for eco-conscious travelers exploring nature without disturbing the environment. The regenerative braking system, intelligent torque vectoring, and adaptive air suspension enhance both comfort and control, ensuring a smooth ride across all terrains. Inside, the cabin reflects BMW's dedication to luxury and intelligent design. The interior combines premium leather, fine wood trim, ambient lighting, and a spacious open-floor layout to create an atmosphere of serenity and elegance. The front cabin features advanced digital displays, gesture control systems, and BMW's intelligent voice assistant, providing seamless control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The panoramic smart glass roof adjusts opacity with a touch, offering natural light by day and a stargazing view by night. The living space includes a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with induction cooktops, smart refrigerator, microwave, and ample storage. The lounge area is fitted with modular seating, a foldable dining table, and a 55-inch OLED smart TV with satellite connectivity. For remote workers, the motorhome includes a retractable workstation complete with Wi-Fi 6 and 5G connectivity, allowing you to stay productive no matter where you park. The bedroom area offers a queen-size memory foam bed with climate-controlled mattress settings, mood lighting, and acoustic dampening for restful sleep. The ensuite bathroom features a rainfall shower, smart toilet with self-cleaning features, and an automated gray water management system. High-efficiency solar panels on the roof feed into a high-capacity lithium-ion battery bank, ensuring energy independence during off-grid camping. Safety and driver assistance features are nothing short of groundbreaking. The motorhome includes BMW's latest autonomous driving system for highway cruising, 360-degree cameras, obstacle detection, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even an AI-powered co-pilot that adapts to your driving style. With over-the-air software updates, the vehicle continuously improves and receives new features without ever visiting a service center. Connectivity is a central focus in the 2026 BMW Motorhome. BMW Connected Drive seamlessly integrates with your devices and smart home systems. You can pre-cool the cabin, check battery status, or even initiate cooking via your smartphone. Voice control through BMW's virtual assistant extends beyond the cockpit, giving you the power to control lighting, entertainment, and even adjust the shades from anywhere inside the motorhome. This motorhome also stands out in terms of customization. Buyers can choose from multiple layout configurations, trim levels, and interior themes. Whether you prefer a modern minimalist style or a warm wood-accented design, BMW offers a tailor-made experience. Optional features include a rear patio deck, retractable awnings, an outdoor kitchen module, and even a garage bay to carry a BMW electric motorcycle. In terms of pricing, the 2026 BMW Motorhome positions itself as a premium offering, with a base price expected to start around $220,000, depending on configuration. While it's certainly an investment, what you get in return is unparalleled freedom, luxury, and cutting-edge technology in a single, mobile package. The 2026 BMW Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. A declaration that travel, technology, and luxury can coexist harmoniously. Whether you're driving across continents, working remotely from nature, or simply embracing a nomadic lifestyle, this motorhome turns the journey into the destination.